Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is a drive-through video, a short one, and according to the Uber guy, he said that this is around Trans-Ekulu by the left, and well, I still heard him say Trans-Ekulu Abakpa, so I don't really know the one in particular, but according to what he said that they also call this place Trans-Ekulu. So I'm heading down to Nike Lake Resort actually. So I'm going to be driving through that Nike Lake Road. From here, we're going to be getting down to a flyover. There's a flyover down. Now this road leads you, if you continue, journeying, traveling on this road, you're going to get to Nsukka, Kogi, and then start going to Abuja, Makandena, Eje, Abuja. So guys, if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, I have a couple of videos, drive-through videos I did in Enugu the last time I visited, which I posted even yesterday. I have them here on my channel. So you can scroll down, and if you find any of them interesting, you can watch. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you're watching this video and you find it interesting, you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. So along this road, you'll be seeing buildings and shops, and I was told that this road, they are dualizing this road, the road leading to Nsukka, that they are dualizing it. And as you can see, you would notice that there are heavy duty machines doing work here with some engineers. And then you also notice concrete. Is it concrete or stone base, something like that? So this is the heavy duty machine there. You can see they are doing the project, they're handling the project of dualizing this road. So I'll tell you something, anytime you come to Enugu, try and test their abacha and then their okpa. It's one of the best I've ever had. I'm telling you firsthand, you can try it out. But one little problem they have here is that they don't have water. I don't know if this is a general problem, but I was told that the water is a very big problem in Enugu. So tell me, in your village in Enugu, if you are watching this video, you're from Enugu, in your village, is water a problem, or is it just Enugu town? I don't know. I need to be educated. Others also need to be educated. So you can tell us in the comment section so that we would know whether we'll supply water for you guys from our state.